Here I have JAECOO 5, and in this video let me show you how to use voice wake up function, how to enable the JAECOO voice assistant. Let's begin. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen, and here let's open the settings. You can do this by using two different methods, by simply tapping this settings icon or by using this car icon at the bottom of the screen. Let me use the car icon, and as you can see, this is the full list of settings that you can use on your JAECOO. In my case, let me find here and select the voice. Afterwards, you've got here the voice wake up function. It's the first option from the following list. As you can see here, you've got the definition about it. If you say this exact phrase, you will use the voice control. Let me show you. Hello JAECOO. You need to say it a little bit louder. Hello JAECOO.
Please say it.
As you can hear and see, the JAECOO function, the JAECOO voice control is activated. Now, if you would like to quit it, you need to be quiet for a moment.
I don't see any music I can play.
Alright, now the JAECOO voice command is disabled, so you can start using and talking normally. So this is the voice wake up function. If you would like to disable it, let's just use this switcher. Now if you say hello JAECOO, it won't do anything. Alright. Of course, you always have the possibility to wake up the voice command function on your steering wheel. There's a special button to do this. But if you would like to do this automatically, you need to enable this function. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.